I'm very pleased to be able to make an announcement today that we've acquired our 9th acquisition, a company called Kvadrant. They are a high-quality consultancy based in Copenhagen with deep expertise in commercial transformation, sales excellence and transaction services. It also expands our PE and corporate M&A access in the region, which is fantastic. They will be margin accretive day one and are incredibly fast growing as all our acquisitions have been today. It adds scale, capability and senior access in a very key region in Europe for us.
My name is Thomas Børge and I'm the founder and CEO of Kvadrant Consulting. I started Kvadrant to build a high-performance consulting firm focused on helping companies turn strategy into measurable commercial results. Today I lead the firm alongside a strong group with responsibility for our overall strategy, our culture and client impact. We were founded with a simple belief: strategy only creates value when it is turned into execution. Over the years, we've grown into a focused, partner-led firm working with large international companies and private equity firms. We've built our reputation on quality, discipline and consistent client impact rather than size. What sets Kvadrant apart is our combination of craft culture and commercial execution. We don't stop at frameworks or recommendations. We design and help implement the commercial operating model that actually drives growth.
As Steve said, Kvadrant are based in Copenhagen, and this gives us same-day access to the rest of the Nordic market, whether it's Sweden, Norway, Finland, or even down into Netherlands and into the DACH region. We have 1 or 2 very large clients in the region that we've started to work with this year, and they're projected to be gold clients next year. So what it does is it allows us to invest in the region and gives us a great capacity of brilliant consultants to help us fulfill that work. So we're really excited about the cross-sell opportunity here.
We primarily work with large global B2B companies, often with complex commercial models. Many of our clients operate in industrials, technology, software, life sciences and business services. In parallel, we work closely with private equity firms on commercial due diligence and value creation. What these clients have in common is the need to turn ambition into scalable, profitable growth.
Their clients are, most of them household names. It's amazing actually how many Nordic and Denmark-based global businesses there are that they work with. And we're looking forward to exploring how we can add even more value off the back of the strategies that they do. And as with Elixirr, they are based around being a long-standing trusted advisor to these clients, and that really resonates with how we work. So I think the culture, the ways of working is a big natural fit with us, and it really gives us the confidence that this partnership will scale quickly. As with all the due diligence we do with the previous acquisitions, one of the key pieces of due diligence is actually to interview the target's clients. And I'm really happy to say Kvadrant outperformed competitors by 43%. When we did this, we interviewed 20 of their major clients. Kvadrant scored 8.7 out of 10 on average versus 6.1 out of 10, which is what the competition performed. And that competition included MBB and other strategic houses. So again, it shows how good they are at what they do. A few themes came out, things like being pragmatic, having a hands-on approach, being high quality, fast output, deep expertise, thought leadership. These are all things that really, again, resonate with Elixirr, which is why I'm really excited to see how the two of us will work going forward.
It's been fantastic to meet everyone here, first of all. And I think that together we have a real opportunity to win larger transformation mandates, to deepen relationships with existing clients, and to build a stronger Nordic footprint on a global platform. And just as importantly, I really feel that Elixirr shares our focus on predictability and execution, like turning strategy into sustained impact. That alignment on ambition, on discipline and on outcomes is what made this the right partnership for Kvadrant.
As we've always said to investors, our M&A strategy is a core part of the overall business strategy, and it's a very complementary activity to our organic growth. In this regard, we think that this bolt-on acquisition in Europe is perfectly timed for us too, around just after we've done our biggest US acquisition, and having done the stream of 4 or 5 acquisitions in the US, it's a perfect time for us to now start opening out the European market, which is, $4 in the US is 2 in Europe, is 1 in Asia. So it's a perfect timing for us to get into that market. As Graham said, we've got a fantastic new gold client in the region, and we think those two things, together with getting boots on the ground, so to speak, and allowing us as a platform into the rest of Europe, this is a perfect acquisition and really excited, and investors can expect more of this going forward.